Here are the ingredients for this delicious peach cobbler. In a 13 by 9 inch baking pan, I'm gonna add in 2 cans of peaches, 1 drained and 1 with the juices included. And I'm going to top this generously with ground cinnamon. It's important to go a little haywire with the cinnamon because this really brings out the flavor. So you just want to go heavy with the ground cinnamon. Next, I'm going to add in the Betty Crocker Delights Super Moist Butter Pecan Cake Mix, just right on top of those delicious peaches. With a wooden spoon or any spoon of choice, you just want to gently just make sure all of the cake mix is completely covering the peaches. No need to mix together, just only to cover the peaches. You'll now want to take approximately a stick and a half of margarine. You can cut those into slices and just place those on the top of the dish as such. I didn't have the actual stick, so I'm using just my tub of margarine. In a 375-degree oven, we'll place this dish in and allow to cook for 45 minutes. And here is the finished product. It smells so good in this house. I cannot wait to have a taste of this, but this is the quickest recipe that you'll ever make. Quickest dessert recipe, that is. And as you can see here, you see a little bit of the cake mix, but that's because I probably could have added a little more butter or margarine to the top of it, but that is a-okay. If you can add some more butter if you just don't want to see the cake mix, but you can add more butter and just put it back in the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes and it's perfection. But this is delicious. I hope you try and let me know if you did in the comment section. We'll definitely pair this with some vanilla ice cream. You can top it with some whipped cream or whatever you like. So I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.